Welcome to SAM Official Tech, where we dive into the latest innovations and technologies shaping the world today. In this video, we explore the incredible ways machines are transforming various industries, helping us achieve greater productivity, efficiency, and growth in our work. Stay with us as we break down how different sectors have evolved with the integration of modern machinery and how these advancements are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Smart factories are reshaping how we think about production. With machines equipped with AI and machine learning algorithms, manufacturers can achieve higher efficiency and precision than ever before. These smart systems can monitor themselves, detect inefficiencies, and self-correct in real time. This not only reduces downtime but also helps in minimizing waste, which boosts the overall output of factories. Industrial robots have become essential tools for increasing productivity in many sectors, from automotive to electronics manufacturing. These robots can perform repetitive tasks with greater precision and speed than humans, leading to faster production times and fewer errors. The integration of robotics has allowed industries to meet growing demand without sacrificing quality or efficiency. The advent of 3D printing has transformed how products are designed and manufactured. Machines that can print complex objects layer by layer have opened new doors in prototyping and production. With 3D printing, businesses can create prototypes quickly, test designs, and move to mass production faster, allowing for rapid product innovation and faster time to market. AI tools and algorithms are enhancing decision-making processes across multiple industries. Whether it's in finance, marketing, or logistics, AI-powered machines can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that help businesses make better informed decisions. This allows for quicker adaptation to market changes and a more strategic approach to growth. Computer numerical control (CNC) machines have revolutionized the manufacturing industry by providing a high level of precision and automation. These machines allow for the mass production of parts with exact measurements, ensuring consistency and quality. CNC machines also reduce the time it takes to create complex parts, which has a direct impact on productivity and efficiency. The rise of drones in logistics has made last-mile delivery faster and more efficient. Companies like Amazon are experimenting with drone delivery systems that can bypass traditional transportation methods, reducing delivery times and costs. Drones can also be used in areas where road infrastructure is lacking, providing businesses with new ways to reach customers. In the construction industry, drones are being used to survey sites, inspect progress, and provide real-time data to project managers. By using drones, Companies can quickly identify issues, monitor the progress of large-scale projects, and reduce the risk of human error. This leads to more accurate project timelines and better resource management. Self-driving cars are set to revolutionize the transportation sector. With companies like Tesla and Google leading the charge, autonomous vehicles are becoming a reality. These machines are designed to reduce human error, improve safety, and make transportation more efficient. Self-driving cars could also impact industries like logistics and delivery, where human drivers are often a limiting factor in growth. In agriculture, machines like automated tractors, harvesters, and irrigation systems are increasing crop yields and making farming more sustainable. These machines allow farmers to manage larger areas of land with fewer resources. While data analytics tools optimize planting, watering, and harvesting schedules. This leads to higher productivity and helps meet the growing demand for food. Machines that harness renewable energy, such as wind turbines and solar panels, are not only reducing our carbon footprint but also providing a sustainable way for businesses to grow. As energy costs continue to rise, companies that invest in renewable energy machines can lower their operational expenses and ensure long-term sustainability. Medical machines like MRI scanners, robotic surgical systems, and diagnostic AI tools are transforming the healthcare industry. These technologies allow for earlier diagnosis, less invasive treatments, and more accurate patient care. As a result, hospitals can serve more patients while improving treatment outcomes, driving growth in the healthcare sector. Automation in warehouses, including the use of robots and automated picking systems, has made supply chain operations faster and more reliable. Machines can handle large volumes of inventory, reduce picking times, and ensure that products are shipped more quickly. This efficiency enables businesses to scale their operations and handle more orders. Energy-efficient machines, from lighting systems to HVAC units, are helping businesses reduce their energy consumption and lower operational costs. These machines are designed to use less power while maintaining high levels of performance, which translates to savings that can be reinvested in growth initiatives. AI-driven marketing tools are helping businesses better understand their customers. From personalized content recommendations to automated ad targeting, AI machines can analyze consumer behavior and tailor marketing strategies to individual preferences. This leads to more effective campaigns and higher conversion rates, allowing businesses to grow their customer base. Mining machines, such as automated drills and autonomous trucks, are making resource extraction faster and safer. These machines can operate in harsh conditions, reducing the need for human labor and minimizing the risk of accidents. By increasing the speed and safety of mining operations, companies can boost productivity and profits. Educational technology EdTech machines, such as interactive learning platforms and AI tutors, are revolutionizing how students learn. These tools allow for personalized learning experiences and can adapt to individual learning styles. By integrating EdTech into classrooms, schools can provide better education and equip students with the skills they need for future careers. The entertainment industry is being transformed by machines that create immersive experiences, from virtual reality headsets to advanced gaming systems. These machines allow creators to push the boundaries of storytelling and visual effects, attracting larger audiences and generating more revenue for businesses. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of how machines are driving growth in various industries. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the latest technology trends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sam Official Tech *** for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we continue to uncover the innovations shaping our world.